Hello friends, this is Dr. Ashish Panchal, Professor and Head Department of Pharmacology. Now, as we discussed earlier in skin, the structure of skin. Now the next part is the glands present in the skin. So, the next part is glands of skin. So actually there are mainly two types of glands present in the skin. Which one? The one is sebaceous gland, that is oil gland, and second one is the sudoriferous gland, that is known as the sweat gland. Okay. So there are two types of gland. One is the sebaceous gland, and the sebaceous gland is known as the oil gland, and the second one is the sudoriferous gland. And the sudoriferous gland is known as the sweat gland. Okay. So now what is sweat gland and the sebaceous gland? So sebaceous gland is the holocrine gland. Sebaceous gland is the holocrine gland. The first sebaceous gland, or it is known as the oily gland. This sebaceous gland is the holocrine gland. It is holocrine gland. So sebaceous gland is the holocrine gland and it is connected to the hair follicle. Means, as we discussed earlier, in the dermis part of the skin possess the hair follicle. So this sebaceous gland is also connected with the hair follicle. Okay. It is connected with the hair follicle. So it's a holocrine gland. It is the holocrine gland and it is connected with the hair follicle. But this oil gland is not present in the palm and the feet. Okay, वो palm और foot में जो sole foot होता है बेटा उसमें वो present नहीं होता. So it is not present in the, it is absent in palm and sole feet. So it is absent in the palm region and the sole feet. Now what are the secretion of this sebaceous gland? So the secretion of the sebaceous gland is, so the secretion of the sebaceous gland, it secretes the oily substance, like it secretes the sebum and it contains the fat, cholesterol and the protein. So it secretes the sebum or the oily substance. It secretes oily substance like fatty acid, fat, then cholesterol, protein. Okay, they secrete the cholesterol, fat and the protein, and the secretion is known as the sebum, and the secretion is known as sebum and it's oily. The secretion is oily. So the secretion, they secrete the oily substance and this oily substance are the fat, cholesterol and the protein, and the secretion is known as the sebum. And what is the function of this gland? So this gland is keep the hair from drying out and keep it moist. Okay. The function of this gland is, functions of this gland is keep the hair follicle drying out. It keep the hair follicle drying out and moist the skin. यानी बेटा ये क्या करेगा, it will prevent the dry skin, skin को dry नहीं होने देगा बेटा. Okay, so it keep the hair follicle drying out and moist the skin. वो क्या करेगा बेटा, skin को moist करेगा. The second gland is the sudoriferous gland, or it is known as the sweat gland, and it is the exocrine gland, and it is present in the whole part of the skin. The second gland is sudoriferous gland. The second one is the sudoriferous gland, and this sudoriferous gland, actually it is the sweat gland, also known as the sweat gland, and it's a exocrine gland. Exocrine gland. It is the exocrine gland, and this gland is present throughout the skin. Present throughout the skin. So it is present throughout the skin. And one more thing, this gland, it secretes the watery secretion. It is the apocrine gland, and it is secrete the watery secretion. It is an apocrine gland. This is the holocrine gland, and this one is the apocrine gland. This is the holocrine gland, this is the apocrine gland, and it secrete the watery secretion. It secrete the watery secretion. For example, it secrete the lactic acid, salt, and amino acid. Okay, so it secrete the watery secretion like lactic acid, salt, amino acid, and water itself, and it is known as perspiration beta. Okay, so this is all about the two types of the gland, and these glands are the sebaceous and the sudoriferous gland. Now next is the receptor present on the skin. Okay, the next part is the receptors of skin. So what are the receptors present in the skin? So skin has the four types of the main receptor. One is the mechanoceptor, cutaneous mechanoceptor. The first one is the cutaneous mechanoceptor. Second one is the, it possesses the thermoreceptor, thermoreceptor. Third one is the nociceptor, and fourth is the chemoreceptor. Fourth is the chemoreceptor. So these four types of the receptor present in the skin. First one is the mechanoceptor, and this mechanoceptor, it senses the skin stretches, as well as it senses the texture, vibration of the skin, and the pressure. So it senses the skin stretch, pressure, and vibration. It senses the, तो बड़ा ये क्या करता है, it senses the स्किन स्ट्रेच अगर हो रही है, प्रेशर हो रहा है स्किन पे और वाइब्रेशन हो रहा है. थर्मोरिसेप्टर, सो थर्मोरिसेप्टर इज सेंस द टेम्परेचर, इट सेंस द टेम्परेचर. देन थर्ड नॉसिसेप्टर, नॉसिसेप्टर सेंस द पेन, इट सेंस द पेन. के स्किन पे अगर कुछ आपको लगता है तो पेन परसेप्शन, जो पेन आपको पता चलता है, दैट इज विद द हेल्प ऑफ नॉसिसेप्टर. एंड द कीमोरिसेप्टर सेंस द केमिकल लाइक एसिड एंड alkali. ओके तो कोई एसिड और अल्कली अगर आपकी स्किन पे गिर जाए तो आपको जो पेन होता है यानी वो सेंस कर सकता है कि दिस आर द केमिकल. ओके सो द स्किन हैज द 4 टाइप्स ऑफ द रिसेप्टर. वन इज द क्यूटेनियस मेकेनोसेप्टर, सेकंड वन इज द थर्मोरिसेप्टर, third one is the nociceptor, and the fourth one is the chemoreceptor. Okay, now the last portion of the skin is the function of the skin. Last part is the functions of the skin. So what are the function of the skin? The first, skin is responsible for the protection. The first function is the skin is help in the प्रोटेक्शन. किसके लिए हेल्प करेगा? प्रोटेक्शन. नाउ हाउ इट प्रोटेक्ट द अंडरलाइंग टिश्यू? सो फ्रॉम द फिजिकल बैरियर, इट इज एक्ट एज अ फिजिकल बैरियर टू प्रोटेक्ट द अंडरलाइंग टिश्यू. एक्ट एज अ फिजिकल बैरियर. ओके, इट एक्ट एज अ फिजिकल बैरियर फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन, फॉर द protection of underlying tissue from UV light. मीन्स UV लाइट से अंडरलाइंग टिश्यू को प्रोटेक्ट करेगा एंड बैक्टीरियल इन्वेजन. also it protect or it is act as a innate immunity. It is act as a innate immunity, means it provide. The second one is it provide the innate immunity, provide natural immunity. Okay, and prevent the entry of the bacteria or any foreign material, and it prevent the entry of foreign material. को अंदर एंटर नहीं होने देंगे. Then it regulate the body temperature. Okay, like sweat gland secrete the watery secretion, and through which it will regulate the body temperature. So now third is regulation of body temperature by producing the sweat. Okay, so it will regulate the body temperature by producing the sweat. Okay, then the next is it is help for the also बेटा ये जो है ना skin, it is responsible for the sensation, okay, and the excretion of the waste. Fourth, it help in the sensation and excretion of waste. तो हमारी बॉडी में लैक्टिक एसिड है, सर्टेन यूरिया एंड यूरिक एसिड इज ऑल्सो एक्सक्रीटेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द स्किन बेटा. ऑल्सो द स्किन इज एक्ट एज अ रिजर्वियर ऑफ द ब्लड. इट इज एक्ट एज अ रिजर्वायर ऑफ ब्लड, मतलब इट इज स्टोर द ब्लड. Okay, because we all know that skin is the longest or the largest organ of our body, और उसमें बेटा ब्लड भी स्टोर होता है. एंड द लास्ट एंड इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन ऑफ द स्किन इज सिंथेसाइज द विटामिन डी. ओके, इट सिंथेसाइज, इट help in synthesis of vitamin D with the help of sunlight. Okay, with the help of the sunlight it is help in the synthesis of the vitamin D. means skin जो है बेटा वो vitamin D synthesis के लिए help भी करती है. So this is the function of the skin, like protection, regulate the body temperature, provide the innate immunity, then help in the sensation, excretion of the waste, act as a reservoir of the blood and help in the synthesis of vitamin D. So this is all about the gland of skin, receptor of the skin and the function of the skin. ओके बेटा, अगर हम आपको हमारे ये वीडियो पसंद आ रहा है बेटा तो आप हमारी ऐप में जाके ये कोर्स को परचेस कर सकते हो. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ गुड डे.